Well, the time has come. You guys are probably thinking, oh, is this going to be the first episode of Total Paper Island All-Stars? Well, you're wrong, because this is actually going to be a planned video for this other series that I'm planning to do, which is called, let's see, the word total is not in it. It's called Paper Ultra Elimination. So PUE. Paper Ultra Elimination is what this season, or like spin-off season, will be called. So in the meantime, as we wait for Total Paper Island All-Stars, there's this other series that I was thinking to do, and I was inspired to do this series by Oshawott and Sparklobies. So check those guys out, because they're the people who inspired me to make this spin-off. So yeah, without further ado, why don't I introduce you guys what this series is about. It is actually pretty darn simple. The thing is, there's gonna be 7 teams of, 8 teams of 7. It's gonna be a total of 56 for the season. But I'm not gonna pick who gets eliminated each episode. It's gonna be the viewers. That is right. And that's the reason why elimination is in the title. So yeah, you guys will be able to pick who will be eliminated each episode. But here's the deal. 2 teams will be going up for elimination each episode, so that this season won't last too long, because otherwise there won't be much Total Paper Island All-Stars episodes. But yeah, that's the schedule. So that means starting on Friday is when this series will premiere. Next Friday is Total Paper Island All-Stars, and then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday will be Total Paper Island All-Stars, while Monday to Thursday will be Paper Ultra Elimination episodes. And note, these episodes are gonna be like really short, probably only like 5 minutes each, or longer than that, I don't know. So don't expect this episode to be too long. It's not gonna be that long. So yeah, like 8 episodes for this series. Without further ado, let's see the rules, because you guys get to recommend 4 characters of your choice. But if a lot of people recommend, then only about 2 will join. So let me know which 2 you want, alright? And for those who are on Discord, you can let me know in the DMs, so that, yeah. Anyways, you can let me know in the DMs and in the comment section, or just one. Anyways, so yeah, I'll just read the rules, even though those in Discord already know the rules. The rules are simple. Rule 1. If you're going to recommend a character, it cannot be a contestant that is going to compete in Total Paper Island All-Stars. So yeah, everybody who was in that intro, you can't recommend any of them to be in this season, alright, or this series. This series has to have different people, new people. Or it could be like veterans in the past 6 seasons, but they have to be veterans that aren't competing in All-Stars. So yeah. But the thing is, there's only 7 categories. So when you're recommending 4 characters, you can only recommend 1 from each of the categories, and I'll tell you this. So are the categories. You can recommend an anime character of your choice, but not a Pokemon character or a My Hero Academia character, because those 2 franchises get their own category. So you can recommend an anime character that isn't from Pokemon or My Hero Academia. You can also recommend a Pokemon character, could either be a Pokemon or a trainer. You can also recommend a My Hero Academia character, or object show character like BFB and Anime Infinity, and etc. You can also recommend a cartoon character. Note, animated cartoons like Jimmy Neutron and the Clone Wars count. So yeah, you can also recommend a video game character and a total drama character. And those are the 7 categories, right? Cartoons, video games, anime, My Hero Academia, Pokemon, objects, and total drama. So here are for the examples, aka here are the people that I chose to be in as the categories. For the anime category, I chose Saitama to be in this. Oh yeah, I can't wait to compete in this series, because it's not a really season at all. For the My Hero Academia series, I choose Tenya Ida. I will gladly assist my team, and I will do my best in this show. Even if I get eliminated early, I will have my head held high. For the video games category, I chose Captain Falcon. Oh yeah, I'm gonna Falcon punch my enemies in this show if I even make any enemies. So yeah. For the Pokemon category, I chose Charizard, because he's basically my favorite Pokemon. So yeah. Alright, Charizard is here to do his best. For the object show category, I chose Tennis Ball for some weird reason. Okay, I'll do my best here. And for the total drama and cartoon categories, I chose Alejandro for the total drama category and Jimmy Neutron for the cartoon category. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do my best with the power of science! Let's just say that I'll make it far, because let's face it, I'm gonna try to make the most moves in this game. You can't make moves because you're not the one who's choosing who'll be eliminated each episode. Done. There is going to be an 8th category, which is animated movies, but I already chose the contestants that'll be in that category. So I guess here's already well, they're not going to be all on the team. Who knows, maybe some of them will, but yeah. I chose Mike Wazowski, Sully, Manny, Gru, Snoopy, Johnny, and Woody. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so there's going to be 8 teams and 7 people on each team. So yeah, here's already 7 people I chose. And these guys are also going to be in. So here's how recommending is going to work. You guys can request 4 people. Yep, 4 people of your choice. Let me know which 2 you want in case if a lot of people decide to recommend. Also, if excuse the background noise, but if you let's see, you can only recommend 1 person from each category, but you can only choose 4 categories because since you're only recommending 4 characters, you can only choose 4 characters from different franchises or categories. So let's say I want to request Captain Falcon for the video game, Ida for the My Hero Academia, Charizard for the Pokemon, and Tennis Ball for the objects. So yeah, you can request 4 like this. This is like an example, but you can't request 2 from the same category. Otherwise, I'll only choose 1 of them. And if you guys can request anybody, like legit anybody, even if it's a character that I didn't print. If I do have time to print, I will. But if I don't, then sorry, but they won't be in the show. So recommending will end 2 days from now. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. And yeah, peace out.